Hello guys, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update SiriusXM in your car. First, turn on and find your radio ID. Switch on your car's audio system and tune to channel 1. Here you'll see your radio ID, also called ESN or SID. Activate or refresh your SiriusXM subscription. Go to SiriusXM.com/activate or SiriusXM.com/refresh using your phone or computer. Enter your radio ID as shown. Follow the steps to create or update your account, and pick a subscription plan if necessary. Update your car's infotainment software if needed. Check your car's manufacturer's website or your vehicle manual for any software updates. Download and install updates using a USB stick or get help at your local dealership. Test your SiriusXM. Tune in to any SiriusXM channel to make sure your service is active and working properly. Get support if needed. If you run into problems, call SiriusXM support or visit their help page for guidance. Important note, this guide is for educational use only and follows SiriusXM's policies by covering official activation and update steps only. No hacks or unauthorized methods. And that would be all for this video. I'll see you on the next one.